In this video, I want to show you how you can appear offline in Steam. Now it's super simple. Just follow along with me and I'll get you started. At the bottom right, you'll see friends and chat. This is in your Steam account, okay? In the Steam app. You click this, you'll see your name up here, you'll see your friends, whatever they're doing, and then it'll show that you're online. Now, if you want to appear offline to everybody, you simply click this little down arrow and then you simply click invisible. It says appear offline, but you can still chat. So I can go invisible now. Now this person can't see me online at all. I appear offline to them. But I would still be able to, if needed, I could still open a chat box with them and type. So it's really that simple. So I wouldn't recommend going offline. This signs, I'll show you. This signs you out of the chat box. This also works. But sometimes you might become accidentally signed back in again, and it will just show you as you were back online. So let me show you. If you were online and you went offline, you signed out, sometimes your connection will have an issue and then you will log back in and then it will show you online again. So the best thing you can do is appear invisible, and this is the best way to let others know that you're offline. I would not recommend using the offline button at all. And that's it. If this video was helpful to you, if you found it helpful, please drop me a like. I'll really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.